Everyone, welcome back on this our channel. Guys, I'm Ram Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about a very fantastic asset that will help you in your FPS game. There you will get your FPS character, your gun, even you can use multiple guns. There is a lots of sounds which you can use in your FPS game. So let's start the today video. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. This is my first English tutorial, so just I'm starting to make in English. Earlier I was making in Hindi language, so most of the you guy just request me to make in English language, so that's why I'm starting it. And if you get me wrong somewhere in my speaking, so please forgive me and try to understand what I'm trying to do. So let's start the today tutorial. Guys, first of all we are going to in asset store, and there if you are using the 2020 version, so you will get asset store like this. You have to search online, and if you are using 2019, so you will be able to search here. So let's click on the search online, and it will open us in browser. And here you will what you have to search is that is the this is very useful for if you are making a FPS game. You will get a lots of control there without typing single line of the code. So just open in Unity. So in Unity we will get in the package manager, so here is easy FPS, so just import it, and you will get a lots of things. Like here you will get the sample scene, documentation, gun animator, means gun animation you will also get, because when you make the FPS, so there is a SWAT or soldier, but you see that gun is changing, his weapon is changing. So this kind of stuff you can make by using the easy FPS. So let's just import it. So it will take a time, so just get it import. So here you get so many folders. Like first one is images. Here you will get the images, materials, and here you will get the model. So there you can get this model, but most useful model is that FPS character. So I'm doing the multiplayer series, so there I am using this with my player. So it's really very cool, and in coming lecture I am going to discuss with it. So in this tutorial I'm not going to use it, but I'm just showing you that you can use with your FPS that your soldier have the hand with this character. The muzzles, like here is material, and important point is here that whatever you use a gun, and there and with the gun you get the muzzle flashes. So when you just fire the something, it will be show the effect that you have just fired there, means you have the fire, you have shoot there. So there is many you can use, like there is I think 4 to 5 muzzles you can use, and every flashes, every muzzle have a different kind of look. Also I'm going to show you that how it's working. So we are going to see so many things, like when you shoot something, so it will show the blood effect. You can also improve it just by using this particle system. You also get the bullets, and this is the player, and whenever you just hit the player, so it will be show the impact. Like when you will hit somewhere, so it will be a whole like structure. So it will be a good feeling that you are shooting, and it's just behaving like this. And in resources you are using the new gun, so it's just only auto firing gun. I'm going to show you in the sample scene. It will be lot easier to understand for us. Here is die sound.
Die!
Here is one more die.
Die!
And here is hit sound.
Ha!
Means when you will hit by. And it is jump. It is run sound. It is walk. Okay, of the gun. And when I go in the scene, so you can see there is a player. So let me show you and let me run this scene. You will get a better idea that how it works. So you can see there is a gun, and where I am just moving my mouse, on the basis of that my gun and my camera is also moving, and I click on the W, so you can see it's going, and I can just fire there. You can see this is the blood effect. Even you can shoot like this, and even you can get a closer look by right click, or you can just click the alt, and you can also fire like this. So these things we are going to use in my multiplayer games that I am continuing, but that language is Hindi language. So just I making this tutorial because I really love this easy FPS asset. And when your mouse disappears, so just you can click on the escape button, and you can also do the maximize and play.
Freaking zombies!
So you can see that how it's reloading the gun. Hopefully you get the idea. There is a player, and on player there is a script, player movement. So all the movement you get from here, and here is sound. So you can just go through the script. It's really very simple. You can use with your character also. So if you have a character, so you have to just use this script and nothing more than that. And here is gun inventory, that which gun we are using. So it's also very simple script that you can just explore it. And here is also, you are getting the mouse look on the basis of mouse, where whenever I'm pointing the mouse, it's just moving the camera rotation there. So it's just a script that you can use with your game, with your character, with your camera. So that thing you can use with your player as well as with your camera. So that's it for today's tutorial, and hope you love this asset on the asset store, and it is totally free. And if you are aware of it, so I'm sure you will use in your games. So just thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, take care.